Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video. Hopefully this room isn't too echoey because I'm in a new place. Well, it's just another room in the house, and I decided to film here because I'm trying to make this room into my office type of thing. But yeah, and if you guys notice that my face is oily, it is oily. I'm testing a foundation right now, so I don't want to blot it right now. So you guys are just gonna have to ignore my oily skin. But anyways, today we are going to be unboxing another SheSpeaks box. And if you guys don't know what SheSpeaks is, it's exactly like Influencer. They send out boxes of products for you to review, either on their website or in the company's website of the product. So yeah, it's free, you don't have to pay for anything. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I joined this year like in February, and I already got 3 boxes. This is my 3rd box, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. So this is what it looks like inside, and it comes with a card. So they send out the Always Pure pads free of chlorine bleaching. So this is what it looks like. So they sent me a whole box, it's not just a sample. It comes with 21 pads. It says top layer made with sustainably sourced cotton, free of dyes and fragrances. Super, got you covered. Ultra thin with wings. So these claim to be gentle on the skin.
And these pads include an organic cotton top layered absorbent wood, cellulose, and gel core imprinted polyethylene wrapper. I can't pronounce that word, you guys.
But anyways, I'm really happy that I got these. Now I won't have to buy some for a while, because if you guys watched like 2 videos ago, I won a giveaway and it was a bunch of pads too. So I guess I'm pretty much gonna be stocked in pads. I'm curious to see what it looks like. I'm not gonna open the pad, I just want to see the packaging. Oh, it's just a white pad, nothing special. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these. But anyways, if you guys want to check out the SheSpeaks website for you guys to get free products to review, I will be leaving the link in the description box so you guys could go check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.